In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to broadcast on Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to using Manychat or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will help you seamlessly navigate the platform and set up your broadcast with ease. Grab a comfortable seat and let's dive in. To kick things off, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Manychat's website. Once you're there, you'll be met with the home page. The first step is straightforward. Look for the sign in button. It is your gateway into the Manychat world and where you manage your chats and broadcasts. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Be sure to keep those handy so you can log in smoothly. If you're using Manychat for the first time, follow the prompts to set up a new account. Following that, you'll land on the Manychat dashboard, a hub that provides access to all the features that the platform offers. Now that you're in the Manychat environment, direct your attention to the home interface. This is where the magic happens. Here you can create new broadcasts, manage existing ones, and access related features that enhance your digital engagement strategy. Familiarize yourself with the layout because it will soon become a familiar sight as you engage more with the tool. With your workspace ready, it's time to focus on creating a broadcast. Navigate your way to the Home tab located conveniently at the top of your dashboard. The Home tab serves as a central point from which to launch all your activities. Once there, you're almost set to craft your broadcast. At this point, you'll see the option to click on New Broadcast. This button is prominently positioned and marks the moment where your creative broadcasting begins. Clicking it opens up a fresh page where you can design your message, set the audience, and schedule it for a later date or send it immediately at your convenience. As you explore the options within New Broadcast, use the intuitive interface to experiment with text, visuals, or multimedia components to craft an engaging message that resonates with your audience. Whatever your choice of content, ensure it aligns with your message's intention and captivates your target viewers. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward process for broadcasting on Manychat. Practicing these steps will help you become more efficient with your future broadcasts, allowing you to shift focus towards strategy and creativity without being bogged down by technicalities. Thank you for joining today's session, and I look forward to seeing you excel in using Manychat. Until next time, happy broadcasting.